If you're using a product and you're wanting to see benefit from it and you're not seeing it working, it's because you don't believe that it works for you. What's up, y'all? If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tierica, and I like to post videos about the law of assumption, manifestation, and mindset shifting, sharing my own personal beliefs and experiences with the intention that you can take something from what I talk about and apply it to your life to create the reality of your dreams. Now, before we get into today's video, I do want to make a quick announcement. If you are one of those people who don't care to hear announcements, you can go ahead and skip forward past this part to the beginning of the video. But if you want to listen to what I have to say, then go ahead and stay here. So if you saw my community post last night, then you saw that I was able to get my membership up and running. So we do have a members only section available now. I do want to give a disclaimer because just because I have a membership only section now, that does not mean that I'm going to take away from the content that I post on my channel. Everything is going to remain the same. I'm still going to post the same amount of content. I'm still going to post the same type of value of content. I'm not going to withhold anything from my public channel. I just really wanted a place where I could grow a community even closer, be able to post exclusive content, especially like sharing my own success stories. Like, sometimes I don't want to give all the details. Like, I'm going to tell y'all everything that you need to know. But if you're like me and you're kind of nosy and you want to know like all the specifics, that's where I want to share those type of stories at. But aside from that, there are a lot of perks that I offer in both of them. I do offer the Creator Circle tier, which is going to have the Facebook group for members only, 30-day challenges every month. You get priority comment responses and the exclusive videos where I share my success stories. And then if you are interested in the second tier, that one is going to be the group coaching, and I offer everything that comes in the first tier, but you're also going to get live streams weekly. You're going to get specific videos that you all request. So I have a link that you all can submit your video request in, and I'm going to make a video for anything that y'all submit a request on. And then I also will be doing one-on-one coaching. It's more of like mini coaching for you all, but you'll get 10 responses from me just to answer questions or things that you may have, and you get 10 credits every month, so you get 10 responses from me every month. So that's basically the perks that you're going to get for both tiers. But I love feedback. So if y'all join and you have other things that you want me to offer, just let me know. And if you don't have YouTube membership available in your country, don't worry, because I also made a Patreon tab. So there's a link for Patreon in the description below. You can go ahead and click on that and you will get access to the same type of content, the same tiers and everything. So you won't be missing out on anything. So yeah, you can join from either one. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, just let me know. But let's go ahead and get into today's video now. I want to talk about the placebo effect because I feel like the appearance change videos are the ones that do the best on my channel. Anytime I post something about a desired appearance change, those videos perform really well. So I can tell that a lot of you are interested in manifesting in a desired appearance. So the placebo effect is something that I feel like is very beneficial for you if you're manifesting appearance changes. And even if you're not manifesting appearance changes, placebo effect still works for anything. So if you're not familiar with what the placebo effect is, basically it's if you've ever heard of like there being research groups, right? And you have two control groups, and you have one group over here that's going to actually take this prescription drug, and then you have another group over here who believes that they're taking the prescription drug, but they're actually being given a sugar pill. And basically they see what happens with both control groups, and usually the studies show that the sugar pill still ends up working, and the people end up having like whatever the symptoms cured, or whatever, like it ends up working the same as if they were to take the real drug, but they only took a sugar pill. So what that proves to you is that your mind is more powerful than anything. So how I break it down is those people who the sugar pill actually worked for, those people believed in either the doctors, they believed in the drug, they believed that they were going to see some type of benefit. So because they believed they seen some type of benefit and they were taking this pill, and they were most likely telling themselves, oh yeah, I'm going to see benefit from this or whatever, it played out in their reality as such. It's not the pill or the drink. It's not none of that you're using that's working. It's still you at the end of the day, because what you are choosing to persist in is what is creating your reality. So for me, in my experience and from my beliefs, It doesn't matter what you take. You could take a hair, skin, and nail pill, a shake to lose weight, a shake to gain weight, whatever. To me, those things only work if you believe that they're going to work, because we are the ones who assign meaning to everything. So because we assign meaning to everything, anything that you want to use for the placebo effect, you are just assigning the meaning that it is working for you. 9 times out of 10, if you're using a product and you're wanting to see benefit from it and you're not seeing it working, it's because you don't believe that it works for you. That's really all it is. It's not the product that's powerful, it's the belief that you have in the product that makes it powerful. So, therefore, with the placebo effect, you can use any single thing to work in your favor. So, as far as appearance changes, if you are somebody who has hair that's thinning and you want your hair to grow thicker, you could use an oil. You could use, some type of hair peel that you're going to take orally. You could use something that you're going to massage in your scalp. You could even just say, every time I drink water, my hair gets thicker. I've noticed by me drinking water, my hair gets fuller. And it's still, again, it's not the actual product that you're using. It is your belief that this product is working for you. So all you have to do is assign that meaning and then persist in it. And you eventually shift into a space of believing that this specific thing is working for you. And it would be the same. It's honestly the same for anything. But even if you are manifesting like clearer skin, somewhere where I really had a downfall was anytime I was using products, I was always complaining about how the products were not working for me. Every time I found a new product and I tried it out, I would always start off using the product like, well, we'll see what happens. We'll see if it's going to work. And I already had a belief that all the other products that I used didn't work. So then I already was setting myself up to believe that this didn't work because I wasn't persisting in a different mindset. I wasn't persisting in a different perspective. I was still in the old story of all of these other products that I used didn't work. So how is this one going to work for me? And therefore, all of the products that I used never worked, or I saw very minimal benefit. Now, whenever you shift your perspective, especially like with skin, you could use just one bar of soap and one cream and tell yourself, these products work perfectly for me. These are the products that cleared my skin. And that's all you have to do. Every day that you're using these products on your face, that's your time to affirm. These products are working so good for me. My skin is clearing up so well. And before you know it, your reality reflects that as true back to you. It has to reflect that back as true to you. If you're somebody who wants fairer skin, I see that a lot. I recently just saw a comment, I believe it was like milky white skin or something. Then it's the same thing. You could either do it with something that you're drinking. Every time I drink this thing, it makes my skin tone more fair. It makes my skin tone more milky. It makes my skin tone look more porcelain. If you are somebody who moisturizes every day and you're putting body cream on, just say this body cream makes my skin get lighter and lighter, because then it's almost like it's like an added benefit, because sometimes we are in the position where we believe that by us doing something, by us using something, that is going to help us achieve what it is that we want to achieve. At the end of the day, it's still coming from your thoughts. It's still coming from what you're persisting in. But to help you and aid you in that, if you feel like, oh, by me putting this cream on, this is actually going to help me, then use it to your benefit. Assign the meaning to it where it works in your benefit. So yeah, if you want fairer skin, whether it's your full body, your face, whatever, your hands, just say, every time I use this cream, I've noticed that my skin gets lighter and lighter. And I feel like if you add that I've noticed, whether you see it or not right now in your physical reality, by you persisting in the thought of, I've noticed that by me using this is what is the result. And that is basically implying to yourself that this product is working and you're noticing results from it. So therefore, what has to happen? You have to notice results in your physical reality. Okay. And if you're not somebody who is manifesting a physical appearance, but you want to use the placebo effect, I saw somebody one time on a post, they were like, Every time I walk through the door, my manifestations happen instantly, or every time I walk through the door, my SP calls me. Just imagine how many times you walk through a door a day. So that is actually a placebo effect. Every time I open the refrigerator, I gain weight, or every time I open the refrigerator, I lose a pound. It's literally just you assigning meaning to things, and this is something that we really don't think about, that we're really not aware of because we're not taught that. But you're shown daily that you assign meaning to every single thing that you're experiencing. So the things that you do the most, the things that you do most often, apply a meaning to them to where it works in your favor. If you are somebody who desires to be more beautiful, then every time I'm washing the dishes, I get more beautiful. Every time I take a shower, I get more beautiful. Like, it's very, very simple, because the formula is very simple. It's whatever you are selecting as your dominant thoughts, your dominant perspective, your story, and the story that you persist in for yourself, that is literally what is reflecting back to you in your reality. So by picking things that work for you, that is how you can also like boost your manifestations and make them work a lot easier for you. If you want like whiter teeth, every time I brush my teeth get whiter. Every time I brush my teeth get straighter. Every time I brush my teeth, it makes them healthier. Like, whatever you want to say, but assign meanings to things that you're doing most often so that it works in your favor, and you feel like you're putting in work for your manifestation when you're really not. You're really just assigning the meaning so that it works for you. Okay, I intended that makes sense, but if you have any questions or comments for me, please leave them down below. If you would like assistance or guidance with your manifestations, I would love to help you. I do offer phone and email coaching, and the link for both of those is in the description below. If you watched this video until the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.